One of the newest tools to identify yourself and others is called biometrics, an identity verification system that uses your physical characteristics. It is through biometrics that we can prove that we are who we say we are.
Biometrics uses a part of the body, a face, an iris, or a fingerprint to confirm your ID.
Iris scans and palm scans, eye tracking devices, blood vessel biometrics that analyze the pattern of the vessels beneath your skin.
It's captured. That's good.
This is a wireless device that the police could use at a random checkpoint. It takes your fingerprints and has software in it to do facial recognition within seconds.
Right there in the field, without having to take the individual back to the station or back to the processing center, I'm able to determine if this is an honest individual that I should just let them go, or is somebody that I need to detain or I need to take other actions with.
President Bush has proposed using a biometric identification card for legal immigrants. The cards would give employers a way to check the legal status of a prospective employee.
Use a biometric technology to create a new tamper-proof identification card for every legal foreign worker. That's what we need.
We have a biometric card for all new guest workers. It's kind of impenetrable, right? So that we can make sure that no one's working here illegally, so employers know who to hire and not to hire.
The Department of Homeland Security says the proposed biometric ID cards are only for temporary guest workers. But Mark Rotenberg, who heads the Electronic Privacy Information Center, predicts the cards will be widely distributed.
Any person who applies for a job in the United States will be required to have this card, because the employer won't be able to determine who are the citizens applying for the jobs, who are the legal immigrants applying for the job, who are the illegal immigrants. So for this system to work, you need a single worker eligibility card that covers everybody in the U.S.
Already there are several biometric projects in the works. They include the Registered Traveler Program, a plan for 10 million federal employees and 10 million federal transportation workers to have biometric ID cards. And beginning in October, all new U.S. passports will have a chip with fingerprints and a digital photograph. Once a face is captured and put into a database, it can be used to screen people wherever a camera is tied into that system.
Having the ability to screen faces as they're entering into the country without impeding the flow of traffic. Doing it in a way that doesn't impede the flow of traffic is a very powerful application.